Okay, so I'm doing a Amazon Vine remove review program. Can't talk. But yeah. I got this cable right here in today from this seller. Yeah, and some no name made in China brand. But I got it. Get off of there. My mouse, where are you? Because it's USB C to barrel type jacks. So, and this is what came in the box, like that. Why is it so dark? There it goes. Yeah, it came in a box like this. And what I was thinking is using this to power up this and plug it into my computer and see if I can run this off a straight. Well, not, it won't be straight because it'll still have the data cable, but run it off USB-C power. So let's see if it works. Little outside the box thinking time. Just. Alright, so. God damn it. I gotta get it. I mean, I have this stand, but I don't. It doesn't work the way I want it to. Sorry. It's just not going as I thought it would do. Anything else? But anyways, yeah, let's just figure this out. So we got this. What's this app for? Juice. 9%. That's fine. Do this out of the way. Well, let's plug this into here. Come on. Where's that one? Right here. I know I should have done this off camera right at the same time, but who cares? Okay, we'll plug it in. We're about to fall. About to fall. Let's see here. Plug this into here, the desktop. Well, you can see. And that shut off. Okay, there it goes. Alrighty. Now let's plug this into the power bank, which is by Ugreen. 145 watt. Big boy stuff. And, moment of truth. Let's your power on. Don't blow up, please. We hear a ding. Yes, we hear a ding. Woo! There's the ding, folks. It says local disk derecognized. And we got our stuff on here. Yeah, I don't know. See it, but yeah. 1 terabyte drive right there. Which is what this is right here. So yeah. Get these cables. Worth it. Toodles.